Bruh.
Really, nigga?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh my God!
Nope. Smoke weed every day.
Okay.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop your fucking lying.
What the fuck was that?
What are those?
Ta-da!
Do it! Just do it!